My name is Ellie. Let's learn English together. Today, we will practice simple morning sentences. We can do it. Let's start. My alarm beeps at 6 o'clock every morning. I hit the snooze button. I go back to sleep. Oh no, it's time to get up. I brush my teeth quickly. I wash my face with warm water. I make my bed. I open the curtains. I love sunlight. I make breakfast every morning. I usually have eggs and toast. Sometimes I burn my toast. I make coffee. I like my coffee with milk and sugar. After making breakfast, I feed my cat. I eat breakfast. I like to take my time when I eat breakfast. I drink 1 cup of coffee after breakfast. I feel sleepy without it. I check my phone for messages and the news. I take a quick shower. I get dressed. I am ready for the day. Thank you for learning with me today. You did a great job. Please come back and practice more English with me. See you next time. Bye.